Did you know that the job of your agent stops after the closing? That's why it's called salesperson. After the sales is done, it's no longer free. Whatever you ask for your agent, you have to pay a professional fee for it. Don't take it wrong, we do our jobs well and we don't mind the free service because as what my friend said, Filipinos, we have the most humane traits when it comes to giving self-service or free sales service. However, sometimes we are being taken advantage of to the point that we're already spending our money, our own money, to do the client's job. For example, buying furnitures or processing the bank loan or what else? Documentation, notarization. That entitles the agent a professional fee. All right. So if you think that the commission is enough for the agent, if you think that we are getting paid by commission, you are correct. But only to the point of from the start of the inquiry to the closing of the sale. That's just it. Beyond that, you have to pay for a professional fee. I didn't know about this until about a few weeks ago because I'm trying to become a real estate broker, and I've enrolled myself in a bachelor's degree. And one of the things that I learned there fast and quickly was there is a mandate, there's a law that states that we have to be paid professional fees. Since I started real estate some years ago, about 5 years ago, I never thought about this, and I've always offered my services for free. I spend my own gasoline, I spend my own food, I spend my own transportation, my own money, in full service of my clients. Now that I've been introduced to this fact, I don't know how to tell my clients moving forward, you know. Some of my clients are also my friends. They are my classmates from high school and college. And this has become even harder to deal with. How do you tell your clients that you need to be paid without telling them that you have to be paid? Tell me please.